Hello everyone, I'm Emma. In today's video, I will teach you how to use this in Japanese. Are you ready? Let's get started. I am Japanese. My major is the English language. It is 5. These sentences can all be translated into Japanese using the word this. Okay, please look the next phrase carefully. 日本人です。I am Japanese. 英語です。My major is the English language. 5時です。It is 5. Did you notice that none of these sentences has a subject, like 私は? Let's take a look again carefully. 日本人です。英語です。5時です。Japanese speakers tend not to state the subject when they think it's clear to the listener what or who they are referring to. But remember, if it's not clear, you should start the sentence with wa, which is used to state the topic. Okay, let's see some examples. 私はエマです。私の専攻は英語です。彼は学生です。Okay, next I'll teach you how to change these sentences into question sentences. If you want to turn these phrases into questions, you can simply add か at the end of the sentence. Remember to raise the intonation. 日本人ですか? 学生ですか? These sentences are yes or no questions. However, question sentences can also include question words like 何, which means what. For example, 今何時ですか? 何歳ですか? Okay, let's practice more together. I'll play the role play of part A, so please read the sentences for part B. エマさんは学生ですか? 専攻は何ですか? 今は何時ですか? はい、学生です。英語です。5時です。Perfect. I'm so glad if this video helped you understand how to use this. This is a very important word when speaking Japanese, so please practice it again and again to improve your skills. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me anything. Please subscribe to my channel and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye!